Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 28th of May 2025. Starting with Forex Factory. Let's see what's happening in the news. And we got USD medium packs 310. FOMC member Waller speaks. And then 3 p.m. we have USD Richmond Manufacturing Index. And we got 7 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. So this is the most important high impact news. We only trade in gold normally, so we're interested only in USD news. Unless you uh, trade other news, we other pairs, we are AUD and ZD, and yeah, that's it. This two as well. Okay, let's go to the chart, see what's happening. This is a weekly chart, and as I said, market may test this level, and that's what the market has done. There's a weekly fair gap. We clearly see weekly, the previous week close to the upside, and now this daily area has been tested, and also we had this evening star here, so that brought the market to the downside, and also there was this level here as well, an evening star. So we had a stronger confirmation that market may come down, which it did. Now, let's see what's happening in 4 hour. In 4 hour, we have this strong area, and that's what this is also another strong area. And currently, 4 hour structure hasn't been broken, still bullish, although 1 hour and 15 minutes has been broken. So these are areas very important, and this as well. So we possibly can see for the good trade, we may see a wick to the downside, liquidity sweep, and then market may move to the upside. That's the best scenario. Uh, Although you can see in 15 minutes that market trying to go to the upside, breaking the structure level, but at the moment stands here. So let's see 1 hour, you can see this area is broken, and this bearish candle tells us something. So this, if the market doesn't come below this area, there's a high possibility that it can go to the upside. But however, we always manage risk. If you took the trade here, you may be break even already. So this level has to be broken to go further to the downside. And we also have a demand area here and also demand area here. But if market come down, take the liquidity sweep. There's a fair value gap here. This fair value gap. So it must be possible that it's just we have a wick here, then market shoots to the upside. Because we are looking, its trend is bullish overall, major trend, as I just seen. We just seen. So we all will look for the bullish trades if possible. Anyway, I hope you're okay, and always remember to risk your risk to reward ratio, manage your risk. Even your analysis is good, but if you can't manage your risk, then you will not make any profit. Previously, as we have seen that this trend line was broken, and we had a good move from there. So, in fact, these prices are moving in a channel previously. So this is not just only analysis, so I try to explain things as well. Um, I have a live stream as well, almost every day. A live chart. It's almost on every day of the week, apart from weekends. So if you need any help with the levels, there are some levels that are drawn up. And do comment on the video if you need a help with anything specific or any specific video you want me to make. I tend to make more educational videos not just for the analysis, but different other subjects of Forex related to Forex education. So if you have any specific query, please do not hesitate to put your comments in the video section, in the bottom of this video. I hope this is helpful and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.